All right, now we're on 18.10, Occurrence, Preparation, and Properties of Sulfur. And that's exactly what we're going to be talking about. So sulfur exists in its elemental state, as well as sulfide and as sulfate deposits in nature. It can occur as hydrogen sulfide in natural gas and volcanic gases. In its pure free sulfur is mined using the Frasch process. I'm not sure if it's Frasch or Frosch, I don't know how to pronounce it. It has several allotropic forms, with the room temperature stable form containing 8-membered rings. So technically it has the formula of S8, but chemists are lazy, so it's just abbreviated to S. Now sulfur has pretty typical non-metallic behavior. It tends to oxidize metals and produce binary sulfides in the process. Elemental sulfur oxidizes less electronegative nonmetals, but it can also be oxidized by more electronegative nonmetals. So for example, it can be oxidized by concentrated nitric acid, and this will oxidize it to the sulfate ion, as well as concurrently form nitrogen 4 oxide, which is NO2. So I'm just writing the reaction for you here. Now, sulfur, interestingly enough, it is below oxygen on the periodic table, same group, so it does have similar chemistry to oxygen when it is at its 2- oxidation state. But unlike oxygen, it can form compounds where it has positive oxidation states. If you recall, oxygen only does that with fluorine. In this picture, we have some volcanic gases that contain hydrogen sulfide. Just a picture, and then here is a picture of the Frasch process to mine sulfur. You don't need to know the process, just know the name, and that's how we get sulfur from underground deposits.